Yesterday was a very eventful day. I had many experiences where I used different expressions. Let me tell you about them. Suit yourself. Yesterday, my friend Emma invited me to a party. She was very excited. It will be fun. Everyone will be there, she said. But I was very tired. I had a long day at school, and I just wanted to stay home. I told her, no, I will stay home and rest. Emma looked at me and sighed. Suit yourself, she said and left. We use suit yourself when someone does not listen to our advice or suggestion. For example, if your friend does not want to eat pizza with you, you can say, suit yourself. If your brother does not take an umbrella on a rainy day, you can say, suit yourself. Good riddance. At school, there was a boy who always took my pencils. Every day, he would come to my desk and borrow one. But he never returned them. I was very annoyed. But last week, he changed schools. When I heard the news, I said, good riddance. No more missing pencils. We use good riddance when we are happy that someone or something is gone. For example, if your noisy neighbors move away, you can say, good riddance. If your old, broken TV stops working, you can say, good riddance. What's up? This morning, I went to the park for a walk. The sun was shining, and the weather was nice. Suddenly, I saw my friend Anna. She was walking her dog. She smiled and said, what's up? I answered, nothing special, just taking a walk. How about you? She said, same here. Just enjoying the weather. We use what's up as a friendly way to ask, how are you, or what are you doing? For example, if you meet a friend at school, you can say, what's up? If you call your cousin, you can start with, what's up? There is no doubt about it. I studied very hard for my math test. I spent hours solving problems. When I got my test back, it was 100%. My teacher smiled and said, you are very smart. I felt very proud and said, there is no doubt about it. We use there is no doubt about it when we are very sure about something. For example, if your team wins every game, you can say, there is no doubt about it. We are the best. If the sun is shining, you can say, there is no doubt about it, it is a beautiful day. Nothing special. My mom asked me, what did you do at school today? I thought for a moment and said, nothing special, just the usual lessons. She nodded and said, all right. Do you have any homework? I said, yes, a little bit. We use nothing special when there is nothing interesting or exciting. For example, if someone asks, how was your weekend, you can say, nothing special. If your friend asks, what did you have for dinner, you can say, nothing special, just rice and soup. Here we go. Before a race, my coach said, ready, set, go, and I started running. As I ran, I thought, here we go. This is my chance to win. I ran as fast as I could. We use here we go when something is starting. For example, when a movie starts, you can say, here we go. When your bus leaves, you can say, here we go. Here you are. I went to a cafe and ordered coffee. The waiter smiled and brought my coffee. He placed it on the table and said, "Here you are." I thanked him and took a sip. It was very hot but delicious. We use "here you are" when giving something to someone. For example, when you give a pen to a friend, you can say, "Here you are." When a shopkeeper gives you change, they can say, "Here you are." Get lost. Yesterday, a boy in my class was bothering me. He kept asking me silly questions and would not stop talking. I was trying to study, but he did not understand. I got very angry and said, "Get lost." He looked surprised and walked away. We use "get lost" to tell someone to go away in an angry way. For example, if someone is rude to you, you can say, "Get lost." If a stranger is annoying you, you can say, "Get lost." Get out of here. My little brother came into my room and touched my things. He took my books, my phone, and even my hairbrush. I shouted, "Get out of here." He laughed and ran away. We use "get out of here" to tell someone to leave. For example, if your friend plays a joke on you, you can say, "Get out of here." If a cat enters your kitchen, you can say, "Get out of here." I am starving. After school, I did not eat anything. I was very hungry. I told my mom, "I am starving." She smiled and said, "Okay, let me make you a sandwich." She made a big sandwich with cheese, tomatoes, and lettuce. It was delicious. We use "I am starving" when we are very hungry. For example, if you skip breakfast, you can say, "I am starving." If you see a delicious pizza, you can say, "I am starving." Let's eat. That was my day. I used many expressions. Now, I know when to use them. Do you use these expressions too?